Hey, I've got a 6-pack of these microfiber exercise towels. The brand did send these to me. This is what they look like when you get them. So these are a microfiber towel that are made for you to take with you to the gym, or you can use them at home, but it's just meant for toweling off, right? They're an exercise microfiber towel. But let's be honest, you can use these for whatever you want. They're microfiber, but they are made to be able to be rolled up. So you can see right here, I've taken this one and rolled it up. Again, that's what they look like when they come to you. They're just kind of folded. So they roll up really nice and they are compact. So let's go ahead and undo that and I'll kind of give you an idea of how big they are. So roughly like 2 feet long by a foot. They drape nicely over the shoulder. I mean, these are like an exercise towel. I like the gray, and I'm gonna give you a little quick look here. Look at the edge, how they have that edge stitched up. So it looks really nice. So it's not like you're taking like a mechanic's microfiber towel to the gym. It wouldn't look good. So aesthetically, they made these for this purpose. Take them to the gym, right? You're gonna be toweling off. I have some water right here. They are super absorbent, okay? You can see there, I mean, it just totally soaked up that water. We'll go ahead. Now, obviously, you're not gonna be sweating this much. This is probably a little bit extreme, but I wanna give you a look at how much liquid and moisture these towels are gonna go ahead and soak up. Now, so yes, they absorb a lot, but look how thin they are. Okay, and that is also key because you want these to dry quick. You don't want to be carrying a wet towel around with you in the gym. So you're getting 6. I think it's a great value. I don't think you're going to get quite as good a value of something like this if you go into the big box store. So definitely check it out here. The brand did a really good job with these. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.